So when you have the red and green separately, what's going to happen is you're going to be adding all these colors because you have part of them being blocked here, but part of them being blocked here. They're going to supplement each other. They're going to add together to create the color yellow. But what happens when you stack the red and the green, just like we stacked the blue and the yellow? So we're going to be seeing what happens with this. So we're going to be now combining the red and green filters, one on top of the other. Okay, let's go ahead and list our Roy G. Biv. Roy G. Biv. Now I'm going to take a look at our color pattern that we have right here. And what we see is we get a partial blocking of the yellow and partial blocking of the green, and then complete blocking of those. So we get a partial blocking of the yellow, partial blocking of the green, and then a complete blocking of the blue, the indigo, and the violet. What happens if we're now looking at the green? Okay, looking at the green filter blocks the blue, indigo, and violet, but also blocks the red, orange, and the yellow. Completely blocks that, completely blocks that, completely blocks that, and maybe there was a tiny bit that was able to pass through, but in reality, if you have a perfect red filter and a perfect green filter, the two will add to a perfect yellow. But when you have them stacked on top of one another, it ends up blocking all of the colors. And what happens is you end up with getting black. No light will pass through when you have both of those filters stacked.